I'll be real, yeah. For a bus, the LT's got a pretty stunning design, man. It stands out a lot more than, you know, any of the other buses you see down there on the street, man. I hope we get a Route Master 3. I pray we get a Route Master 3, you know. It's awaited, man. We need that. We need a Route Master 3, man. As stunning for a bus this thing is, yeah. We need a different thing now. Because I feel like TFL are pushing the Route Master a bit much. How comes you're sending out 2012, 2011 E400s out, but then all the Route Masters you're keeping them? Like, we need something different, man. We need a Route Master 3. TFL need to sign up a competition again. You know what they were doing in 2008, where they got all these people to gather their designs up for the next gen of the Route Master in London. You know, so that there could be another iconic bus on the streets. We need that again. I'd say at least 2030. That needs to come. TFL need to sort that out again. HV249.